So point of correction, White Army are not civil defense. They are youths. Even you can see when they are fighting, there's no uniform. If they were malicious, they will have uniform. They don't have guns. You saw very well as the international community, they captured the government weapon on 4th when they captured their headquarters, the SSPDF headquarters. That's when they got guns. They didn't have guns. Some of them went to war using sticks. They went to war using sticks. And they get their guns from the war. So that is the White Army. That is the not civil defense. So don't mistake that not civil defense are what? That are malicious or they are terrorists. They are not a group. These are youth that just collect themselves from different homes because their women and children are being killed. They come out and do what? And protect their women and children. Because anything that is killing your wife, anything that is killing your child, in Nuerland we believe it's killed a husband first before it's killed the wife and the children. And that's what they are doing.